Here we have Golf Cart King's Safety Grab Bar. Golf Cart King's Grab Bar features a universal design fitting most aftermarket rear seat kits for club car, EZGO, and Yamaha golf carts. This safety grab bar is constructed with high-quality steel and features a protective gloss black powder coating. This helps to prevent rust and corrosion. Our grab bar is also compatible with most aftermarket hitches. While developing Golf Cart King's grab bar, we've incorporated a common bolt-on design which makes for an easy installation on most rear seat kits. Golf Cart King's safety grab bar will make you and your passengers feel safe and secure while on the move. As with all of Golf Cart King's products, our superior construction and attention to detail will be sure to make you feel confident about you and your passengers' safety for years to come.